10 reasons credit cards are must for financial well-being. As long as you manage your credit card spending and payments responsibly, there are endless advantages to using a credit card. When used responsibly, credit cards can be great for your financial well-being. In fact, smart credit card holders can earn money just by using their card. So, what are the benefits of credit card and how can using one help you come out ahead? Here are 10 ways. Number 1 is they build credit history. Perhaps the most important reason to have a credit card is to build up your credit history. Credit scores taken from records of your financial activity are essential if you plan to borrow money. These scores come partially from your credit card history. Now, unlike debit card usage, credit card use is reported to authority that monitors scores. A track record of paying a credit card balance on time helps you score immensely. And the longer you use your credit card, the more you'll build your credit history, improving your score even more. Now, what is credit score? The credit authorities in India collect financial information about a person or an entity, which is analyzed, after which a credit score is given to the person or an entity. This credit score is a number that may be between 300 to 900. The score can be analyzed as a score of 750 or more is an excellent credit score and indicates responsible financial behavior from a person or an entity. A score between 600 to 750 is a medium score indicating a slightly risky financial behavior. This could happen due to a few missed payments or not filing an ITR or a high amount of debt. By timely payment of EMIs and reducing the number of outstanding loans, this score can easily be increased over time. A score below 600, this is a poor credit score. Individuals with score in this range will need to make a quick and drastic financial decisions to improve credit score so that they may be eligible for receiving financial loans in the future. Could be a house loan or any other personal loan. A good credit score is an essential so that one can easily get loans or access to credit limits easily at competitive rate of interest whenever the need arises. Now, when a person has a good credit score rating, lending institutions are willing to give loans without hassle and at cheaper rate of interest than availability. Now, number two benefit is they may offer sign-on bonuses. As a welcome gift, many credit card offers bonuses for signing up. Usually you have to spend a certain amount, sometimes within a certain period of time to get the bonus. So read the fine print, but it's still an invaluable perk. Number three is they give cashbacks. When you make purchases on cashback credit cards, you earn a small amount of money back. Now, the cash rewards can be anywhere ranging between 1% to 6% based on your purchase total. That may not sound like much, but over time, these rewards can add up to sizable bonus. Number four is they offer reward programs. There are almost as many reward programs as there are cards. I mean, more than these. The trick is to find a reward program that fits with spending habits you already have or that partners with a retailer you already like. Now, reward programs can include, but these aren't limited to point systems cards. You earn points based on how much you spend and you cash in points for other rewards. Frequent flyer cards, you rack up airline miles every time you fly, which you redeem for discounts on further flights. So the more you fly, the more points you gain. Number three is travel reward cards. These offer credit card miles, slightly different from frequent flyer miles, but still giving rewards when you travel. So the more you travel, the more points you gain. Number four is everyday spending reward cards. These cards earn you rewards in common spending categories like restaurant, dining, gas, or groceries. This type of card can be great for users who don't do much traveling but still want to get most out of their credit card points. Number five is they track your spending for you. Want to budget better? Credit card statements are built-in expense tracker, better than Excel. Your purchases are get recorded online with all essential information: where, when, how much, often you are spending. Some credit card companies keep your spending records around for years and years. This benefit becomes essential, especially when it comes to tax time. With one record of past year's spending already compiled, you will save time and effort on your taxes. Business expenses, rental properties, charity expenses, contributions, and more tricky tax return areas all show up in a credit card statement. Number six is they protect against frauds. One of the credit card's biggest advantage over debit card is the level of fraud protection they offer. Now, say your credit card is stolen or someone finds your card information online. Even if the thief starts making purchases on your card right away, you won't lose much money since charges to credit cards aren't withdrawn immediately. Once you notify the card company of the theft, they'll put a hold on your card and investigate. You aren't liable for any fraudulent purchases made in meantime. The most you'll potentially be liable for is nominal fee of say 3,500 to 4,000 rupees or $50. And if you report before a purchase is made, or if your credit card company has a zero liability fraud policy, you won't lose anything. Now, say your debit card is stolen. Since debit card funds are deducted instantly, any money spent on fraudulent purchases will be gone. Automatic payments you have scheduled might be cancelled as a result. If you report the theft within 60 days, the transactions can be reversed and the money can be restored into your account. But this takes time and can be much more disruptive than a credit card theft. Number 9 is they have built-in grace periods. Essentially, credit cards offer a zero interest loan for 30 to 40 days or less. Unlike debit cards, credit cards don't require you to have the funds for purchase immediately. There's a grace period for you to make the payment arrangement. Use this grace period wisely since credit cards work best for you if you pay off the full amount each month, not the minimal amount. Now, number 10 is they track on insurance. Check out the consumer protections offered with your credit card. Chances are you will find benefits you didn't know you had. In addition to extended warranties and purchase protection plans, many cards offer return protection, rental car insurance or travel insurance, and any other benefits that you are looking out for. Now, if you can use your credit card responsibly, there is no reason not to use one. The benefits of credit card include rewards, protection, and convenience, as well as regular reporting to the credit bureaus, making it easy for you to build your credit. Now, intelligent credit card holders can save plenty of cash and keep your money protected with some perks thrown in as well, as we discussed. Now, hope this information was useful. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the subscribe button to stay updated on using and investing your money strategically, and smash the like button to keep supporting. Now, to check out everything on how you can transfer your credit card money to bank account without any charges for free, click here. Until then, my name is Vishal. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you next Sunday, 4 p.m.